My favorite part about MCPHS has to be the hands-on experience that we get.
I would definitely recommend MCPHS. The teachers are all really invested in the program, and I like the campus that it's small.
I've made close friends. I study with them. It's not just me on my own showing up to class, going home to do it all on my own. So it's super collaborative.
We have interdisciplinary teams and events and education strategies where they bring all of us together and have us work through case studies. We are able to experience other professions and also advocate for our own profession.
As challenging as it is, I feel as though I have a lot of support, whether that be from my classmates, my professors, tutors.
We all support each other, and the kindness that comes from this place, it lifts your spirits in a way.
Everybody is open to helping each other and being there for the next person because we are all in this together. We're one big happy family.